Hi, my name is Pierre Gagné. Robotic process automation, or RPA, is the use of software with artificial intelligence and machine learning capabilities to handle high-volume, repeatable tasks that previously required humans to perform. These tasks can include queries, calculations, and maintenance of records and transactions. More CIOs are turning to RPA to eliminate tedious tasks, freeing corporate workers to focus on higher value work. At Insurance Frameworks, we have developed a course for those situations. We'll provide you with an overview of the breadth and depth of Panorama 360. We'll review the processes that we find in it, the context diagrams, stakeholders, and metrics, as well as developing business processes and roadmaps for RPA. This course can be provided in 3 different formats. It's an online course, and it's 1 day, and it's presented into several short video clips, or it's included within the 3-day business architecture course with more in-depth examples and several exercises, either online live or on-site. During the course, we'll cover all the components within Panorama 360 that can have a role to play in your planning or your developing of processes for RPA. We'll discuss also business capabilities and where RPA fits in, and also the core business processes with the activities and the metrics. If you want to know more about this course, please go to insuranceframeworks.com. If you want to ask me questions, please do so, and I'll be more than happy to answer you. Thank you very much, and hopefully we'll see you at one of those courses.